How do you extract objective clinical data from a standard patient video? Standard visual consults are highly subjective, making it easy to miss sub-millimeter structural asymmetries. Consider a routine intake, where a surgeon must quickly evaluate lower face balance and orbital symmetry. IrisAthena's intelligence layer begins by mapping precise facial boundaries. It isolates quantitative metrics, like the exact millimeter ratio between the upper and lower lip. But generating dozens of raw measurements creates data overload. A busy physician doesn't have time to manually cross-reference a 45-millimeter mouth width against standard population ranges. So the AI automatically synthesizes these isolated data points. It flags when metrics, like midline deviations, fall outside normal bounds, and generates a clean, pre-formatted clinical observation card. The system calculates its own certainty and explicitly requires human sign-off before any medical conclusion is drawn, a framework known as clinical decision support. It even grounds its observations by attaching peer-reviewed PubMed literature directly to the flagged anomaly. And that routine patient intake from the beginning, it's now an objective, quantified baseline, letting surgeons make highly accurate, evidence-backed decisions in seconds.